Good morning, sir. Good noon, good afternoon, good evening, or what time you viewed this introduce yourself video. First thing first, sir, this is not a script. This is the questions that you put in the G class. So, babasahin ko lang po, sir. Let's start. Letter A, what is my full name? My full name, sir, is Belmonte Kim Humphrey Serrano. Second one, what are my course year and section? Sir, my course is Bachelor Science in Marine Transportation, and my year, sir, is third year incoming graduating, and my section is 3B2, sir. The third one, why did I choose to take a maritime course? Sir, since I was elementary, I was a kid, I've dreamed this job, not because malaki yung sahod, sir. I choose this career and profession because my tito inspired me, kasi sir, nagbabarko din po siya. Kaya yun, sir. And a lot of my relatives, sir, are marinero and graduated from our school. The fourth one, how can I show respect to others in this class? Give 3 example. By obeying, sir, for example, sir, number 1, yung mga pinapagawa mo, susundin lang namin yun, sir, and show some respect. Number 2, pinakamahalaga. And number 3, sir, is the most na kailangan natin, sir, is discipline po. The fifth one, complete the sentence in 5 years. In 5 years, sir, I see myself as a officer na, sir, sa barko, and making a good enough money to provide my family. And sir, thank you po, sir. Thank you po.